Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amaka. So let's get straight into this video. I am showing you guys how I care for my 4 weeks old mini twist. Okay, this is just how I wash and refresh my hair. Alright, so don't forget to like this video if you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel. Okay, and yeah, first things first, I just wet my hair, guys. My hair is 4C low porosity, so it takes a while for my hair to get drenched with water. I just let the water run for at least 3 minutes, and then I go with my shampoo. I'm using just a typical shampoo, guys, the VO5 shampoo. Nothing serious, nothing major with this shampoo. It just gets the job done. It's affordable. Okay, and yeah, and then I wash my hair. I do wash my hair twice, or even on a normal day, especially with twists I still wash it twice, but this is the best wash day method for me because my hair is in twists. I don't have to do a lot of detangling. I just wash my hair and that's that. Okay, it helps to retain length. It helps to keep my hair less shedding and less breakage. So I love washing my hair in twists. Alright, so once I'm done, I also go with my conditioner. I'm using my Shea Moisture Hair Max. It's quite thick, and then I'm going to add a little bit of my VO5 conditioner as well. Okay, so I'm mixing the mask and the conditioner together. I'm just trying not to spend so much time on this wash day, so I'm just mixing the two together and applying it in my hair. I let that sit for at least, I think, 5 minutes, and then I rinse it off. So that's basically how I wash my hair in twist, how I retain length and new growths, okay, on my natural hair. All right, so look at that, look at all that length, guys. This is why I love mini twists. All right, I'll see you guys. Hi guys, it's been a few hours. Actually, it's been a whole day later, and I let my hair dry. So this is what it looks like. So I also went on ahead to take down a few mini twists from the front section and from the back section as well. I want to retwist this and make it look fresh, and yeah, see if I can wear this hair for the next 1 week. I'm also trying to restyle it by knotting the ends. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah, so I'm trying to give it like a new look and just re-knot the ends. It's going to make it a little bit shorter. Let's get to moisturizing, guys. I'm just going to spritz my hair with water. That is enough water. My very good and trusted Cantu leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use this to apply on my hair. Start from your ends, squeeze the way it sinks into your hair. Squeeze, yeah, and squeeze. Oh, it smells so good. And a little bit of my DIY hair butter. It has Shea, it has shea butter, it has fenugreek, it has cloves and all the good oils to seal in the moisture. And I just introduced back to my hair, but just to keep a clean look. I'm going to see if I can use mousse and just on this part for now, using the Cantu hair mousse. Okay. Right, so this part, we'll take this down. So guys, I'm just going to retwist this part. Probably will do it off camera. You guys will see me twist my hair, so let's not waste time. But if you want to see how I twisted the whole hair, you can check this video here, and I'll be back to show you guys the final result. Alright guys, so this is what the final look looks like, and this is my hair. Like I said, I made it shorter by knotting the ends and giving it a new look, which is a little bit annoying. It's unraveling, but you know, let's come closer, you guys can see. Okay, this is like an awkward stage hair growth. I'm struggling. I'm trying to look for ways to style it, or ways I can wait. Alright, but this is my refreshed mini twist. I'm going to wear for the next 1 week and then I will take it down. Wow, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for supporting me on my channel. Please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, like the video guys, so that YouTube can spread it out, okay, to so many other people. Alright, and yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell button as well so you can get notified anytime I post a new video. I love you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys.